Hello everyone, welcome back to Old Country Cooks. Today Rebecca's going to do shrimp and grits Rebecca's way. So let's go see what she's going to do. This may be a silent movie, depending on if we have company in there watching TV. So we'll see. And Rebecca's trying out her new seasoning, Berbere. Can y'all see that? We're going to give that a shot in this. It's a Cajun seasoning. It's
Ethiopian.
an Ethiopian seasoning. So we're going to give this a shot. It's peppery, it's cumin, it's chili powder, all kind of stuff. So we're going to give it a try. Okay, here Rebecca's adding half and half and chicken stock. I'll leave the recipe down in the show more. She's making sure she's getting all of that out of there. And getting it in there. Give a little stir, put it on medium heat, and then we're going to seasoning the shrimp with the Berbere seasoning. She's getting right in there with her hands that's gloved up and mixing them up real good. Very good, Rebecca. All right, she's brought it up to a simmer. She's going to slowly add her grits in a little bit at a time, mixing them up very well so she doesn't get any lumps. So just take your time with this part. And there we go. All right, she's got all of her grits in. It's come back up to a simmer. She's going to turn the heat down. She's going to add about 3 tablespoons of butter or whatever you'd like. And once she gets that in there, she's going to go ahead and put the lid on it, and she's going to let it cook for about 10 more minutes before we move on to the next step. Okay, Rebecca's going to cook off the shrimp about 3/4 way done. Right now she's adding some ghee, about 2 tablespoons or just enough to fill the bottom of the pan up. Once the butter gets good and hot, go ahead and add your seasoned shrimp to the fry pan. Again, we're going to not quite cook them all the way done. When she gets ready to make the sauce in that pan, we'll finish them off. All right, the grits are done. She's going to go ahead and add her cheese to this, and she's going to stir them in really well. This is really going to impart a lot of cheesy flavor to these shrimp and grits. She's going to add some salt. And let's see what else she puts. She's going to put some pepper in there. Give it a good stir. And she's going to put the lid on the top. She got her shrimp done. She's got them sitting on the side. She added just a tad bit more butter in there. She's putting red onions. Then she has some pimentos that we drained. And if you don't have that, you can put fresh peppers. She just added some lemon zest. She's going to give this a little stir up. And she's going to cook this for about a minute before her next addition. Turn the heat down a little bit. Then she's going to add some chopped garlic. That's fresh garlic she chopped up. She's going to mix that up a little bit and get all that stuff off the bottom from cooking the shrimp, just deglazing it. Then she's going to add some water. Then she's going to add a little chicken bouillon powder, about a quarter of a teaspoon. She's going to go ahead and mix that up real well. Get that dissolved in there. She's creating flavor. There she went with some lemon juice. And then she's got some heavy cream she's going to put in here. Just constantly stirring. Get that stirred in really well. Get a good color on that. We're going to hit it with a few splashes of Tabasco sauce. About 3 or 4 splashes will be fine. You give it a little extra vinegary tang to it. And we're going to add about 2 more tablespoons of butter. So we want this very buttery. And now we're going to go ahead and add the shrimp back in there. She's going to finish them off here in this sauce. It'll take about a couple more minutes in this sauce. The sauce will get good and thick. It'll absorb those flavors of the shrimp. She added a little bit of garnish with some green onion tops. While this is thickening up, go ahead and get you a bowl and go ahead and fill it up with some grits. Leave room for that shrimp and some of that sauce. And when you're done, it's going to look something like this. Looks super delicious. She did an outstanding job. And then we'll go over and do our taste test. This was an outstanding cook. We both enjoyed it. Appreciate y'all watching. Please share, like, subscribe, and most important, y'all please come back. See you guys next time. Bye.